Hokkaido, Japan's northernmost island, is renowned for its pristine natural beauty, snow-covered mountains, and outdoor adventures. Whether you're a skier, snowboarder, nature enthusiast, foodie, or someone seeking cultural experiences, Hokkaido offers something for everyone. Its stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, and delicious food make it a must-visit destination, especially during the colder months when the island is transformed into a winter wonderland. In this journey, we'll explore Hokkaido's most beautiful places, the best times to visit, the exciting things to do, and the mouth-watering foods you must try. From skiing in Niseko to soaking in hot springs, Hokkaido offers a magical experience, and we'll make sure you don't miss a thing. Best time to visit Hokkaido. Timing your adventure. Hokkaido is a destination with distinct seasons, each offering a different experience. Understanding when to visit will help you make the most of your time on the island. The best time to visit depends largely on your preferences and the type of activities you're most interested in. Winter, from December to February, is, without a doubt, the most popular time to visit Hokkaido, particularly for snow lovers. The island receives heavy snowfall, making it a haven for skiers and snowboarders. The region's powder snow is known for its quality and is ideal for winter sports. Aside from the outdoor adventures, winter in Hokkaido brings vibrant snow festivals, outdoor onsen experiences, and stunning frozen landscapes. The Sapporo Snow Festival in February is one of Japan's most iconic winter festivals, featuring massive snow sculptures and ice art displays. Niseko Ski Resort is famed worldwide for its powder snow and is the perfect destination for winter sports enthusiasts. Enjoying a relaxing bath in a steaming onsen surrounded by snow is a quintessential winter experience in Hokkaido. Spring, from March to May in Hokkaido, is less crowded compared to other regions in Japan, but it's the perfect time for nature lovers who want to experience the island's incredible cherry blossoms and lush landscapes. Cherry blossoms in Sapporo begin in late April to early May and are less crowded than the sakura season in Tokyo and Kyoto. Rural Hokkaido sees beautiful fields of flowers bloom, including the famous lavender fields in Furano, making it a fantastic time for hiking and photography. Summer, from June to August, brings mild temperatures to Hokkaido, making it an ideal destination for outdoor activities like hiking, cycling, and enjoying the stunning flower fields. A highlight of summer in Hokkaido is the vast lavender fields in Furano that bloom in July, creating a purple sea of flowers. Hiking in the Daisetsuzan National Park, cycling around the countryside, and enjoying lakes like Shikotsu are perfect for summer exploration. Autumn, from September to November, brings beautiful fall foliage to Hokkaido, with forests transforming into vibrant shades of red, yellow, and orange. This is a fantastic time for hiking, scenic drives, and experiencing the harvest season. Kushiro Shitsugen National Park is a great place for birdwatching and enjoying the fall colors. The Daisetsuzan National Park is particularly stunning in autumn, with trails that lead you through vibrant forests. Hokkaido offers something magical every season. Whether you're after powder snow or vibrant flowers, there's an adventure waiting for you. Subscribe for more adventures. Let's discover more hidden gems together. The most beautiful places to visit in Hokkaido. Sapporo, the heart of Hokkaido. Sapporo, the largest city in Hokkaido, is not just a major urban center but also a gateway to the island's natural beauty. It's known for its lively atmosphere, rich history, and snowy charm during winter. Sapporo Snow Festival. Held annually in February, this event is one of the largest and most famous snow festivals in the world. It features massive snow sculptures and ice carvings, lighting up the city with creativity. Odori Park. A lovely park that stretches through the city center, perfect for winter strolls with views of the snow-covered cityscape. Sapporo TV Tower. For panoramic views of Sapporo and its snowy surroundings, the Sapporo TV Tower is a must-visit. Niseko, the ski mecca. Niseko is globally known for its pristine powder snow, attracting skiers and snowboarders from all over the world. But the resort area also offers much more, with cozy restaurants, onsens, and an international flair, skiing and snowboarding. With multiple ski resorts, Niseko offers some of the best powder snow in the world, hot springs. After a day on the slopes, unwind at one of the many onsens, such as Goshiki Onsen or Yukoro Onsen. Nightlife: Niseko's après-ski scene is lively, with bars and restaurants offering hearty Hokkaido dishes. Otaru, the romantic canal town. Otaru is a charming port city that combines history, picturesque views, and unique attractions. The city's canals, surrounded by historic buildings and quaint shops, are especially enchanting during winter. Otaru Canal, a beautiful canal lined with gas lamps and historical warehouses, perfect for a romantic stroll. Otaru Snowlight Path Festival, an enchanting festival that features glowing lanterns and snow sculptures. Glassware and music boxes. Otaru is known for its fine glasswork and music boxes, perfect for picking up unique souvenirs. Exciting things to see and do in Hokkaido. Hokkaido offers a variety of exciting activities for all kinds of travelers, from outdoor adventures to cultural experiences and more. Skiing and snowboarding. For snow sports lovers, Hokkaido is a paradise. The island is home to some of Japan's top ski resorts, including Niseko, famous for its powder snow and world-class facilities. Furano, known for its beautiful mountain views and excellent powder snow. Rusutsu, a resort that combines skiing, snowboarding, and family-friendly activities. Hot springs or onsen. Hokkaido's hot springs are a major attraction, especially during winter when the contrast of hot baths and cold air is so refreshing. Some top onsen resorts include Noboribetsu Onsen, famous for its Hell Valley, Jigokudani, a volcanic area with sulfurous steam vents. And then there's Josanke Onsen, a peaceful onsen town surrounded by nature, perfect for relaxation. Snowshoeing and ice climbing. Hokkaido's snowy landscapes make it an ideal destination for snowshoeing and ice climbing. For snowshoeing, there are many trails in places like Niseko and Daisetsuzan National Park that offer beautiful snowy views. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can try ice climbing at places like the frozen waterfalls in the mountains. Winter festivals. Hokkaido hosts some of the most exciting winter festivals in Japan, where you can see intricate snow and ice sculptures, take part in fun activities, and enjoy local foods. The Sapporo Snow Festival is a must-see, featuring enormous snow sculptures and ice art. The Asahikawa Winter Festival is the second largest snow festival in Hokkaido, featuring incredible ice sculptures and fun events. And don't miss the Yubari Snow Festival, a smaller, charming festival in the town of Yubari, known for its traditional ice sculptures. Snow lovers' delights, foods to try in Hokkaido. Hokkaido is a food lover's paradise, especially in winter when the island's rich harvest and unique ingredients shine. Snow lovers and foodies alike will enjoy the following dishes. Hokkaido ramen. Known for its rich and flavorful miso-based broth, Hokkaido ramen is a must-try. Sapporo is famous for its miso ramen, but other varieties like shoyu and salt-based ramen can be found across the island. Seafood. Hokkaido is Japan's seafood capital, and winter is the perfect time to sample fresh, delicious seafood. Kani, or crab, snow crab, and king crab are especially popular during the colder months, and you can enjoy them boiled in a hot pot or as sushi. Uni, or sea urchin. Hokkaido is known for its creamy, sweet sea urchin, served fresh or as sushi. Soup curry. A Hokkaido specialty, soup curry is a spicy, flavorful curry dish made with fresh vegetables, meats, and a unique soup base. It's a perfect dish to warm you up in the winter months. Jingisukan, or Genghis Khan, is a grilled mutton dish that's a favorite in Hokkaido. The lamb is grilled over a dome-shaped grill and served with vegetables. It's a hearty, warming meal perfect for winter nights. Hokkaido is filled with hidden treasures and unforgettable experiences. For more adventures and travel tips, subscribe for more adventures. Hokkaido is a year-round destination with something for everyone. Whether you're seeking the thrill of winter sports, the serenity of hot springs, or the joy of indulging in delicious local cuisine, Hokkaido will not disappoint. From the snow-covered peaks of Niseko to the charming canals of Otaru, every corner of this island offers something magical. Are you ready to explore the wonders of Hokkaido? Subscribe for more adventures. There's always more to discover. Happy travels!